Okay, so guys, welcome back to the SKGS Incorporated YouTube channel. I'm your host SK, and this is where we officially start season 1 of the FinLit series. Season 1 being the Forex market. So in this episode, which is episode 1, we're going to be focusing on 3 specific topics. Number 1 of these topics being the Metatrader platform. The Metatrader platform is a platform which traders use to execute trades in the market. This can either be Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. Topic 2 we're going to be talking about is brokers. Brokers are very, very important key players in the Forex market because as a trader, you can't execute trades in the Forex markets without having a broker or registering underneath a broker. Because a broker allows you to execute trades in the market and you can either make profits or you can lose money. Number 3 and lastly, we're going to be talking about the different trading instruments which are available to you as a trader in the trading market through your trading broker which you choose to trade under. Brokers offer different trading instruments. For example, brokers can offer you Forex trading pairs, brokers can offer you indices which you can trade, brokers can offer you commodities, and brokers can offer you metals which you can trade. So we'll go deeper into that. But those are the 3 main topics that we'll be focusing on this video, which is episode 1. Okay, so guys, topic 1, Metatrader. Downloading the Metatrader platform is a very simple process actually, guys. There's not that much that goes into it. But for the purposes of this video, guys, we're going to be using a South African broker. And this broker is known as Veracity Market. So we're going to be showing you on their website how to download the Metatrader platform, whether it's Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5, guys. It depends on your preference between the two. So basically, we're going to go to the Veracity Market's website. We're going to go into the website. So we're going to wait for this thing to load. Here we are, guys. So this is the broker's platform. And we wait for it to download. So yeah, this thing's downloading, guys. It's normally a quick process, but I don't know why the internet is lagging so much for some reason, but it is what it is. So there we go, guys. The platform is downloading, as you can see here on the bottom left corner of the screen. So now, as you can see, it's done downloading, and then all you have to do, guys, is just, click on the download file, which helps you to set up the actual platform on your laptop. So now we're going to click on this, and just to show you how it looks, guys. And then now, guys, there's obviously all of these, licensing and agreements, stuff that you have to read, but you don't really have to read it. You can if you feel like there's a need for it, but nah, we're not going to read this too much. And then you just press next, and then the platform is starting to install. Okay, there you go, guys. So basically, once it's done installing, you just press finish over here. Okay, so guys, now the platform has loaded. Okay, guys, all you have to do now is just go to File, go to open an account, right? And then for obviously demonstrational purposes, we're going to open a demo account. You go to next, and then you go to new demo account, right? So you go to new demo account, whatever your details are, you choose your account type, right? So we're going to go with a standard account. And then you choose the amount of money you want in your account. We're just gonna use $5,000 just for demonstrational purposes. Then you choose your leverage. You're gonna use 1:500. And then you press next. And then after that, you'll get all of your login details, right? And then that's basically how you download the Metatrader platform. Okay, so guys, when looking for a Forex broker, you basically go on Google and then you type in top 100 Forex brokers list. And then you will receive a list of all the best Forex brokers which exist. As you can see here on this website, it shows you a list of all the Forex brokers that exist which are regulated, right? Because you want to use a regulated Forex broker. So these are all the regulated Forex brokers that exist in the world. And then obviously when you choose a Forex broker, it has to be based on whether that Forex broker allows you to trade on their platform in your country. But this is all the list of all the Forex brokers, as you can see here. So once you've chosen your desired broker, you basically are going to type in the broker's name. So we are going to use Veracity Markets as our example for this video. So we're going to go to Veracity Markets. And we're going to go on the Veracity Markets website, where we are going to sign up for an account on the actual broker. And then once you're on the broker's website, as you can see, this is Veracity Markets. You will have to sign up with the broker. So when you sign up, you're going to obviously create an account, create a password, and fill in all your personal details. And then that's basically how you register with a Forex broker. Okay, so guys, very simple. Once you've gotten your login details, which will either be sent to you through email or will be sent to you as shown on your laptop. Okay, so once you have your login details, guys, you go back to File, you go to Login to Trade Accounts, and obviously for demonstrational purposes, we're using a demo account. So you put in your login details, and then you log in. Then you'll hear that sound. And once you're logged in, to see what trading instruments you want to use on your trading broker, you'll go to View, you go to Symbols, and then it'll give you all the trading symbols which are available for you to trade. If you want to trade Forex trading pairs, for example, like AUD USD, GBP JPY, GBP USD, all of those are all Forex trading, currency pairs. If you want to trade indices, you go to indices, right? And then it'll give you all the options. For example, you'll have your NASDAQ, your US 30, and everything else. And then if you want to load your charts onto your Metatrader, your desired trading instrument onto your Metatrader, once you've selected it on your symbols, it'll show up here, right? For example, you see these are all the trading instruments that I can trade. If you want to choose US 30, you just click on US 30, and then the charts will automatically show up for you guys. So yeah, guys, that's just a brief breakdown of what symbols are offered on a trading broker, and this is Veracity Markets that we're using for explanational purposes. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you do that.